I like the apple smells, the pumpkin stuff, all that. If I had a job, the house would be decorated right now.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Halloween's my favorite holiday too.
It's kind of fun around here. You got your choice. Few kids show up sometimes. Sometimes nobody does. It's up to you whether you turn the light on or not.
I'll do it for sure. I always do. The one Halloween that I was here, I was pregnant, so I don't really know too much of it. But if I had the funds, my house would be decked out and I'd have stuff up in my yard. And next year, I'm determined to have a job by the time I'm done with that internship. If they don't offer me one, I'm going to look at the other hospitals afterwards. Although I'm sure they will. Davenport says like 80% of people that have internships get hired at the place they have the internships at. So, and it's required to do the internship. It's a good school so far. I really like it.
Yeah.
They're pretty helpful if you have problems.
Education will be pretty sound.
My English class right now is going okay. Dan, she's just hitting you. Oh, hairball.
She right up on top of Ellie, takes her down that one line.
She goes for the jugular. Oh wait, now she's getting her ears. She didn't like that much.
And what's crazy is the Air Force is usually